So, let me begin this session with a small conversation between two people. One is Raj and another is Rohan. So, Raj says to Rohan, "Hey Rohan, can I have a look at this month's accounts? I need to suggest the board of members about the areas where we can cut down the costs." So, Rohan replies, "Sure, I just audited the sheet and my calculations tell me that we saved 20% taxes this time." In this conversation, Raj, who was asking for the accounts, who wants to suggest the board members about the cost cutting, is a company secretary who has to advise the company for the benefits and growth. And he is asking Rohan, who is a chartered accountant, to have a look at the finance sheet. So, both Raj and Rohan are very important professionals who are needed in the business world. One is an expert in accounting and finance, while the other is an expert in company law and corporate governance. But despite this difference in the roles, people generally confuse about the two careers, which is the CA and CS. They do not know the difference between the two, but these are still the most two popular options in the commerce field. So, if you have landed on this session, I am sure you must be puzzled also about the exact differences between the two. So, if you are having a hard time deciding what to choose, listen to the next few minutes about on this conversation. So, who exactly is a chartered accountant? Who is a CA? Chartered accountants are professionals who minimize the risk, loss, and maintain the accounts of the firms and companies with their accounting skills, accounting and finance skills. They work across various domains of business such as audit, taxation, investment, finance, and others so that they can increase the profitability of the firm. On the other hand, when it comes to a company secretary or a CS, these are professionals who are consultants to the board of directors of companies, and they decide on or they consult on the matters of management, administration, finance, accounting, and taxation. A CS is involved in deciding or advising a company about laws dealing with situations involving a conflict of interest between two parties, or suggesting ways to prepare the financial reports, developing an overall corporate strategy, and assisting in planning. So, there are certain differences in these two careers, they are not the same. The basic difference being one is related to accounts and finance, and the other is more related to law. So, how do you become a company secretary? So, there are two ways. Either you can complete your graduation and then pursue 1 year of executive program and 1 year of professional program, or you can register yourself with the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, which is ICSI, and pursue the foundation course for 8 months if you are not doing your graduation, and then carry on with the executive year for 1 year and professional program for 1 year. On the other hand, if you decide to pursue a CA, that is, if you decide to become a chartered accountant in India, once you clear CPT and your bachelor's, you can clear the integrated professional competence, that is IPC exam, and pursue the articleship. Then you complete the CA finals. The basic difference between the two is that they both involve 3 levels, but the time duration differs. Like CS, company secretary, can be completed in a shorter duration, it's a shorter course, and it takes about 2 to 3 years, while CA can on an average take about 5 years to complete. If I talk about the subjects which are covered under CA, which are covered under chartered accountancy, it includes fundamentals of accounting, cost accounting, financial management, auditing, management accounting, direct taxation, etc., which are more related to accounting and finance as a major. On the other hand, if we talk about company secretary, the courses here include basic economics, business environment, tax laws, company laws, general and commercial laws, economic labor and industrial laws, banking and insurance laws. Basically, it revolves around company laws, which makes you an expert in consulting a business. Both of these, if you, in a nutshell, if I can put it, company secretaries are in-house legal experts who, with their knowledge and wit, advise companies in decision making, in overall strategy making, whereas chartered accountants use commerce related tools to maximize the profits for a company. What you definitely have in common between these careers is they both require hard work, dedication, and the right analytical aptitude. You must have an analytical aptitude to succeed in both these careers, because you will be dealing with a large amount of data, a large amount of information, which you will have to figure out what is important for the company's future.